Meaning of femto.
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 Femto. Femto- is a prefix used in the International System of Units, SI, to indicate a factor of 10 to the power of -15. It is derived from the Danish word femten meaning 15. The prefix is mainly used in scientific and technical fields to express extremely small quantities, such as femtoseconds, 10 to the power of -15 seconds, and femtometers, 10 to the power of -15 meters. The use of femto- enables scientists to accurately measure and describe phenomena at the nanoscale and beyond, aiding in the development of technologies such as nanoelectronics and quantum computing.